guys, welcome back to Daniel's Rush Thorn video. So I'm off to do a video, and going up to the goats. Goats first, then the chickens and ducks. So I have 2 goats, 1 horse. I have the 1 horse. My sister Allie has 1 horse, which I'll show you. Pride. So we are up at the goats, and so. Sorry, my hand, the video is shaking and cold. So here's Jasper, and Jilly. Jilly's there, and so. Go in the goat barn. There's Cricket. Whoa, nice and warm in here. So here's Pride. Here's the boy in the goat barn, looking out the dirty window. And there's Cricket. And there's Abba and Hound. What? The goats are calling for me. So, show you this. So we are in the barn. So, there's the hay room, the hay, there's the tack room, so here's the tack room, there's Pride's feed, Cricket's feed, and the goat's food. And the goat feed, the horse feed, bags, the supplies are there, and then I will show you the goats, the chickens. So my dad built this. It's a little hay structure to put the hay in for the horses. So I'm going down to the chickens now. There's Jasper and Jilly. There's Jilly. Good girl, Jilly. Jill. Okay, guys. Off to see the chickens. Show you the chickens. So my battery is going to die. So the goats want to come out, but they won't come. So there is the duck house. So the goats are calling for me. So there's the duck house. Sorry I'm doing it quick. It's just because I need my phone's going to die. So there is the chickens. And got their little enrichment. So there's Netherk. That one right there's Netherk. I'll go in the enclosure to show you. So there's the guys, the chickies. So it's dark in here just because winter and stuff. So I'm gonna close this. Just to keep some of the heat in. So on that note, I am going to wrap it up and have a nice day. Bye.